Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm looking rough, but it's okay. It's not about me. You're not gonna really see me in this video. I just woke up, so that's why I'm not looking bomb. I have a lot to do. So as you see by the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my lip gloss. For those that don't know that I hand make them, now you know. Okay? Period. Poop. And hold on, because my hair looking real nappy. Like, I'm waiting for my wig to come in the mail, period. Then I'm going to be beaut, and I'm going to do a video on that. So, I'm going to show you guys the products that I use, and then we're going to get started, okay? Okay, so first you have the bowls, okay? Don't worry, guys. I wash my hands, especially I just finished eating, so my hands are clean. Then you have the spoons you need to mix. Then you have these poppy things that you add to the end of these syringes, which squeezes out the lip gloss into the bottles. These are the squeeze bottles. I'm running out, but I have more coming in the mail. So this is TKB trade-in. This is the lip gloss base, and this is what's like the main ingredient you need. I have my glitters. I ordered a bigger thing of glitters, so that will be coming with more of the squeeze bottles. I have my gloves. I have my vitamin E oil. It's greasy, that's why I look like that. I have my coconut oil, okay. I have my colors for the lip gloss and my mica powder, okay. So we're gonna get started, and I'll show you guys how I do what I do. right, guys, so this is how they turn out. Okay, now I just gotta put my labels on them and come back and show you guys how it looks with the labels on them. Now, doing the labels and stuff, look, I cleaned the bowl out. I don't like wasting products because this little shit right here costs a lot of money. Okay, so, and I even changed my gloves when I twist the caps and stuff on so they could be clean. Now, shipping and how I ship and where I get my labels from and how I do my labels and everything will be in another video. But I'm gonna put the labels on these, come back and show you guys how they look. All right, guys, this is how they turned out. These are the baby unicorns. I want y'all to see it in the more better light. Okay, my labeling stickers, they be getting a little wrinkled, but I be trying because I don't want my fingerprints to show through them. But look at that, baby unicorn is back in business. Quarantine got my nails looking like that. Rah! But yes, baby unicorn is back in stock. Cop yours. Iesha Laven product. This is everybody's second favorite out of rose gold because this one has sold out. This is the first time it's sold out. Rose gold sold out before and I restocked up on that very quick. Yeah, and then I used the extraness of from the bowl, and I used the glove and with my knuckle and put it on my skin. This is how it's looking. You know, all the glitter. You want that sparkle on your lip? You gonna sparkle, sis. Okay? Okay. I thank y'all for watching. My camera's there because my phone has better lighting. I'm gonna get some stuff for my camera to be more bright, or give me a ring light. But thank you for watching. Shop right now at IeshaLaven.com and get you guys some baby unicorns because we are back in stock. We'll be making more of these off camera so we could be extra up. But I thank everybody for watching the video. Come back soon. Thank you.